Well, Uber and Lyft drivers are finally getting a huge pay raise, and click the thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, before I get started, I just want to say thank you. You guys are amazing, and let's get into the video. So if y'all were not aware, Uber did raise the rates in London for drivers. If you didn't know this, it's because drivers were going on strike by actually quitting and basically boycotting because the rates were so low, and Uber needed more drivers. So what they did is they raised the rates, and they didn't essentially pay drivers more, they raised the rates for passengers so that drivers would make more money. That was basically their solution. Now, if you saw that video that we made last week, do you think this is coming to America or Australia or South Africa, where we have so many viewers? But for right now, I wanted to tell you all that this new company recently launched called Solo. So this company just got $5.3 million, and it's actually a company that helps gig workers make more money. And it's not just an app that shows you the hot spots or where to drive at certain hours. They're actually paying drivers, and so many drivers who signed up for Solo are saying that they're getting hundreds of more dollars per month simply with their features, their pay guarantee features, which, by the way, there's a promotion right now with until the end of the month. If you sign up with our link, they're giving you 15 bucks when you sign up for free. So how does it work? If you live anywhere in the country, in the United States of America, any city, town, farmland, you sign up for Solo with an active gig account, you link your account, they're sending you 15 bucks for free. They also automatically track your expenses. It's automated. They're gonna tell you how much you might owe in taxes. They're gonna do unlimited manual expense tracking. There's a city and nationwide earnings leaderboard, and they also have this pay guarantee feature. So this is how so many drivers are making more money. Again, you have to use our link below to sign up to get your 15 bucks. And look at this. In 6 hours, in one day, this driver guaranteed to make 274 bucks. I mean, guys, people can become millionaires with these things. 274 bucks times 365, we're talking about $100,000 a year simply by having 6 scheduled hours in a day, each day. 6 hours ain't nothing. Literally start driving at 5 a.m. and you can have your whole day end by 11 a.m. and make 100 grand a year. Holy smokes. $38 for DoorDash, $37 for Instacart, $37 for Uber. They have Lyft as well. So anyways, I'll have a link below, but I just want to let you all know about this awesome, oh yeah, and there are only available the pay guarantee feature in these areas, but sign up for the free version in the other area, because they're expanding to more cities, and the more people they have in a certain area, the more likely they are to expand to that area. So in order to get your 15 bucks, sign up with their link your gig account, and then go into your wallet, type in your payment method, Venmo or PayPal, and they'll send it out on Tuesday. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. God bless. Talk to you later. Bye now.